Hey guys, first of all, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed a couple of clips with the muffler delete I did for you. And if you want to see any more cool stuff done to an F10, I'm going to be doing videos about all the mods I did to my F10, including all the bolt-ons and MSG tune, and even some features that I coded with the beamer code. And on top of that, I'm going to be shooting some other cool beamers in the area, so you won't regret it. I promise. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.